Hi, good afternoon. I am Jeffrey De Leon from Customer Service Inbound. I am here live in comfort room of Metro Bank Card Corporation just to show you how to do the right procedure on washing hands. And I'm being here just to give you the tips and some of the advices, and we need to answer the question, why we need to do this in this time. Okay. Hopefully, all the things and all the information I will give you will be helpful in the future. Okay, let's start. These are the procedures. We're going to do the first thing. The first thing is we need to wet hand with water. It's the first step. The second step is apply soap to cover all hand surfaces. Here's the soap. You see the soap? Okay, you just need to rinse it. And then the third step is right palm over left with interlaced fingers and vice versa. This is the third step. Hope you get it. Okay? And then the fourth step is palm to palm, fingers interlaced. So it's like this. And then the fifth step is back fingers, opposite fingers, interlock. So it's like this. Hope you get it again. So you just need to rub. The sixth step is rotational rubbing of right thumb, clasp in left palm and vice versa. It's like this. It's very hard, however you can do it, and I hope. Again, the seventh step is rotational rubbing, backward and forward with clasp fingers of right hand in left palm and vice versa. It's like this. It's like a massage when you are in a spa. Okay, the eighth step is rinse hand with water. So we need to do this again since it's already clean. The ninth step is dry thoroughly with a single towel. So here's the towel, you see, here's the towel. We just need to dry our hands with towel. Okay, the last step is use the towel to clean the surface. Okay, surface. Okay, hope you do the same thing as I did. Okay, why we are doing this? Because right now, all over the world, we are having an H1N1 virus, also known as swine flu. It's very hard. Well, it was started in Mexico, and right now we have some cases here in the Philippines. So one of the ways for us to avoid to have that is just to have our hands clean. Not only that, we just need also to exercise every day and also be great to others. So hopefully all things, all the information I gave is helpful, and all the information I teach you will be calm as a normal thing that we do every day. Again, I am Jeff De Leon, your customer service representative, saying hi, hello, goodbye, good afternoon, good night, and have a nice day. Goodbye.